Hey babes, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you could see from the title, I'll be showing you guys how I did this super quick and easy install with this gorgeous U-part unit from Beauty Forever Hair. So Beauty Forever decided to send me a U-part unit. The specs are 24 inches and it is in straight. Okay honey, straight number 1B. It blends really well, really matches in with my leave out, and that's something that I am so here for. No extra steps, just wash, blow dry, straighten, and you're good to go. The hair already came disinfected, but you know, sometimes, or with U-part units, you do want to wash them so that like once you get that texture in it from blow drying, when you straighten it, it just blends right in with my leave out. That's what I noticed, and that's what works for me. This 24 inches is everything. The unit is literally so full. It's not thick and it's not thin at all. It's giving very much full, and I am very much here for it. I'm loving this. It's giving micro links. It's giving a sew-in. It's giving a sew-in without the sewing process, without the sewing cost, and without the sewing time, child. Nobody want to sit down and wait for a sew-in, even though they are generally quick, but this is quicker. This was like 9 minutes worth of work, and I am loving every bit of it. I love how versatile this unit is. I'm loving it. The wig is super affordable, reasonably priced. I feel like I would buy a few, send them to everybody I know, my mama, my friends, people who will be wearing leave outs, because this is just such a good quality wig. If you'd like to purchase this unit, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. Beauty Forever always delivers. They always have such good quality hair. And yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling because I feel like I'm very much excited. This wig was so easy to install, you guys. Let me just go ahead and show you. I'm gonna stop rambling, so let's jump into the tutorial.
Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I shouldn't. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brown Sugar. See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave.
Put these wigs on, like, it's been 3 minutes on my end. I don't know how much it will be on your end because I'll definitely speed the process up, but it's been 3 minutes. It's so easy to put on. This is so worth your money. The hair is good quality. You don't have to do front-on closure. You don't have to be one of those girls. Like, I am a front-on closure girl, but I could always rock a middle part too. Like, everybody loves a bust down middle part with straight hair. Like, who doesn't love that? So I'm so happy that it can be this easy without having to use a lace. So now I just have to, you know, define my part some more because it's definitely there. I just have to define it, straighten it, and we'll be out the door in literally under 15 minutes. So let me stop rambling and let's continue.
Sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for my nauseous one, but I think I'm here to solo. Hope my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this gritty, pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all hit me. Brown sugar, babe. I get high off of love, don't know how to behave.
Yeah. So we are coming here with a force. Yeah. Blessings we are reap and we coursing on foot. Oh, we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life and my thank God for the journey, the earnings, and just for the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah. See blessings fall by my right hand. But I was for the friends that take off every load. One time did sit up in a class and report that only set the road and we go on with the road. Third form, me say me try a thing. And you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with chronic fire sing. Yeah, see me all diggy soon get the higher ring. Like hello brother, I'm say I just shot ya. Saw your poster, spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If me the butter pass through your shot, we can't fall in a life, man. Me have to thank God for the journey, the earnings, and just for the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah, see blessings fall by my right hand. But I do it for the friends we take off the road. One time they sit down in a class and we pour them only set the road and we go on with it, go on with it. That's how our blessings upon me. And send me to tell them I'm sorry. That's how our blessings upon me. And that's how I made it.
So today is literally just a forehead out and she's playing today day. So I'm definitely going to be using my Canra volume spray. It's actually a holding spray, like a super holding spray in the number 25. So I'm going to just put it on the brush because I don't want to add too much product to my hair. And then I'm going to brush it in so I could brush away my flyaways. I do have flyaways. I don't know if you guys can see them, but they're definitely there. So let's just go ahead and fix that. Alright.
That's how our blessings upon me. And that's how I made it give him the cup. I'm in the light. And Jano tell me passion ignited. Got the music get me excited. I'm coming like a poison. Blessings all for my life and my thank God for the journey, the earnings, and that's for the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah. This is blessings fall.
And then today we are going for grown-on vibes, so I'm not gonna do any type of baby hair situation, none of that. So this is the end result, you guys. Look at how nice and seamless and flat this install is. I literally took the tape measure and I was like 2 inches, 3.5 inches, and I did the pre situation that you guys saw up top before I even started the video, like way before. So it was just so easy for me to install this wig. I can't braid my relaxed hair for the life of me, but what I can do is blend some leave-in and do what I have to do to make these units work. So because I did 2 anchor braids right here where the unit is, it feels so good with no tension on just my hair going back in a ponytail. The anchor braids really are an anchor. They really help. And I usually get headaches with units like this, but now no headache. I feel good. I feel like I could go, you know, wearing this unit for like a day without taking it off, and that is just perfect for me because, like I said, I'll usually get headaches from this wig and I'm not feeling anything. So perfect. Beauty Forever, you did that. This hair is in natural color 1B, 24 inches and straight. Do you guys see how nice and luscious this wig is? Do you see how well it blends with my leave out? Do you see how flat she is? She's giving, okay? She is giving. I am so here for it. Beauty Forever always delivers. They always have such good quality wigs, such good quality units, and this U part is just, you know, like the icing on the top of the cake. This is the get up and go wig and I'm loving it. This is something I honestly would use if I just don't feel like I'm in the mood to wear lace. Perfect. It's super affordable, super reasonably priced. This wig is definitely what I never knew I wanted and got, and I am so here for it. I'm loving the U part vibes. I'm loving the leave out and the sewing without the sewing process and cost and time. Like, the girls that get it, and the girls that don't. U parts for the win, and that's just on period. Beauty Forever, you did that as always. Icing on the cake. Perfect wig. If you'd like to purchase, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you lovely ladies in my next one. Bye babes.